Can we have a look at this? They're drinking this water. What's happened?
There's no water.
There's no water. But why don't you get the water from the pump?
I did drink water.
I say.
It's fault. It's not working.
It's broke.
Yeah, it's not working.
Don't drink this water. Don't drink it.
Okay.
They're just taking me to the well. We're going to try and fix this. How long has this been broken for?
It's about
1 year. No.
And so for 1 year you've been drinking from that stream? These poor people. So this is the problem, a cylinder.
Yeah.
You took a guess that this was the right part.
Yeah.
Can you believe it? Come on. Come on, people. We can do this. Whoa!
It's coming.
You got water! Yes! Yeah, fantastic. It's fixed! It's fixed!